What's up, Savvy Squad? It's your girl B Savvy, and I am with another video. This time I'm going to be doing a vlog, and I'm going to be going to the grocery store. It's about like 7:30, 8 o'clock, and as you can see, the weather outside is frightful, but at least it's no snow, so your girl is happy about that. So I'm gonna take y'all on this ride with me. Obviously I don't have on, some good clothes. I just wanted to run to the grocery store, and I was like, hey, let me just pull out my camera, and put in a vlog here. I got a lot of great content coming up for y'all here, so I'm really excited about that. So also working on a new intro for y'all, so stay tuned for that, and I will catch y'all when we get to the store. Okay, so I put my camera in the basket, and obviously that was a bad idea. So now I already got some fruit. I got some blueberries, raspberries, pineapples, and I gotta get some grapes and some apples. So about to get the apples next, and then get my vegetables for the week. Because I didn't have the tea that I needed for my detox, so I'm gonna just head over to Walmart real quick and then go home from there. So I will see y'all at Walmart.